Alrighty, episode 3 of the SudsyCRM series. And that's going to be about where we go over all the features that we can do in SudsyCRM because there's so many. Main thing we're going to talk about today is reputation or reviews. So it's going to be how to get reviews, different things you can do in SudsyCRM to really boost your reviews on Google, Facebook, that type of thing. First, you're going to want to log in with Google My Business. And if you went through our onboarding, you're already set up. So if you haven't already, do that. Get set up. Few things in here, an overview. Once you're logged in and ready to roll, it's going to have all these different review responses filled in. Then you have this. This would be competitor analysis. It's going to show, like, if you want to look up my business, you can put all your local competitors. It's going to, over time, show them how often are they responding to reviews, how many reviews are they getting, their score. And it's going to keep tabs on everybody. You can also put three up to three competitors. So I could do, um, Urjan's business, my business, like whoever, all three competitors you think are the best. And then you can actually keep tabs on what's going on with their business. You could also link like Facebook, Google, TripAdvisor, all these different ones. I would stick to Google, but you can do them. You can obviously request reviews. So you can configure a review link that can be to whatever platform you want. So these are all the different platforms you can do. Like I said, I'd stick to Google. But yeah, you can request reviews. What I like about these review requests is it is possible to also send pictures. So you could send a review to, let me see if it lets me, if I don't have it set up. Customer, contact name, how it's going to send, and then you can set it all up here. Very similar to what other CRMs do. This one would just come from your phone numbers. Like I like sending review requests, email and cell, so you have them both. And then you can include a link. It goes right there. This would be all your reviews you have logged in. So once you start and put your Google My Business on here or Facebook, it's going to have all of them here. This is what's important. So with Sudsy CRM, what it does very well is its ability to paste into your website. We get this a lot. People reach out. They say, "Hey, I need a way to show my reviews. I'm paying a ton of money." Like I had a viewer the other day said, "I'm using this. It costs me $18 a month. Can you help?" Well, yeah, it comes with Sudsy CRM for free. This comes with it. So you can make this widget. Let's say you want to edit it. Go to edit widget in the bottom. You can pick the style. So if you want it to be like a grid, a list, masonry, it's not going to be like showing you that much right now because I don't have any reviews loaded in. But I'm just going to kind of show you the max amount of reviews you want to have in here. You can just leave it or put 20. Minimum rating. So if you only want 5 stars and above, like only 5 stars to show up on here, you can do that. And then review source, pick like all Google pages, Facebook, you can have manual ones, pick the style. This is where you can change it. So you could say like, if you want to write my reviews, it's going to change. So you can change that description. You can also have ratings, total review count. You can also have a write a review button, which a lot of them don't have. So if you want to add this to your website, they can actually leave a review. You can change the themes. If you want it to be dark, if you want it to be custom, you can do that. If you want to change it where it's red, you can do that. You can do anything. So if you want to, it's all custom. So if your website's purple, you can make this all purple. Then you can also do AI summary. This is kind of cool. Everyone likes AI. What's nice about the AI summaries, it'll be like just a summary of all the reviews that you have. So like this business generally gets a lot of reviews for this. Like they do a lot of ceramic coating. You can turn it off. All these things you can turn off. And all you do, which is super easy when you're done, click save, which is right behind the live chat. Move that up. Click save. This is the code you're going to embed on your website as a HTML code. Once that's on there, or a JavaScript code, once that's on there, it literally will just load for you and just auto updates. You have to touch nothing. So if you want to show your reviews on your website, make a widget. You can do that. You can, I'm just going to skip out of this, kind of go into settings, what it can do. You also have review AI. I'd recommend shutting this off in the beginning unless you want to pay a little bit extra for AI usage. It's not expensive, but you can have it where it auto responds to your reviews. That's kind of cool. You can also set, you can also have it set so it does a few things. Shut it off completely. So when you get reviews, it goes to your conversations and you manually reply. You can have it where it goes to suggestive. So it'll help you like or reply to it. It doesn't send until you send it. Or auto responses where after a certain amount of time, it will respond to them. you can adjust what it's going to say. So if it's a little too harsh for you, you can have it say, oh, you have to act this way, and have a prompt. Review link, that's pretty much just once you have your Google and your Facebook signed in, you can pick where you want the reviews to go. So if it's like this is the link, it will go to all my Google. You can do review balancing. So if you want to have like half on Google, half on Facebook, it will automatically do that. You can modify your SMS requests. So if you want to do, um, say, well, how do I want the text to look when I send a review request? You can do it here. Same with email, WhatsApp. You can also make a QR code for reviews. So if you want to do that, like put it on your desk or something, no problem. Super easy. If you have spam reviews, it can detect that and report them and integrations. That's just what do you want the reviews to go to. So obviously you can do a bunch of things. This isn't just for auto detailing. It's good to get reviews everywhere. So this is our reviews. I would say it's kind of a feature that we don't talk about enough, makes a big deal, and it will make your business super successful and super easy to manage. If any questions how you should integrate this into your business, put them in the comments below. There isn't really much I can do here to drop into your CRM. Um, Down the road, I'm going to do another video of like how to request reviews and like how to put pictures with them and whatnot. But to make it super easy, I love using SudsyCRM to request reviews because it comes from your personal phone number, so it looks personal. I find when it comes from some other softwares, it might look too robotic and they know it's not a person versus this. You could be like, hey, first name, thanks for coming to my service, blah, 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 blah. If you could, please leave a review. Thanks, Andrew. It looks personal, and then it sends an email and a text, and you can fully customize everything. So it really adds a nice layer to your business. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, or as always, send us a message or go on the support. We can get you set up. Have a great day.